Hey folks, welcome in this tutorial. This is Saurabh, and now in this tutorial I am going to show you some top courses for a computer sector student. So if anyone have a interest in a computer sector area, then this video is for those persons. So I will list down best computer courses to study to get job easily. But before that I want to give you a little bit description about this. So a student should must choose courses wisely. One must always choose courses that promise jobs, and we know that jobs are limited nowadays, but the competition for job is increasing every day. So this has led to unemployment of large number of qualified young men and women. So this is where computer courses comes handy. These computer courses are usually completed in a less time. That's why computers courses become fast growing in India also. We all know that in India the IT companies are growing very fast. According to some reports, the revenue from IIT exports in the year 2012 was more than 100 billion. So with this, we can think that computer area is now a biggest area to work with. In country like India, where the use of computers and internet is increasing each day, the best step is to learn computer courses. So, a student who wants job fast after graduation must read this article, which I am going to tell you, and choose that suits their interest. So, I am going to list down five computer courses. So first is a web designing. We all know that web designing is a great opportunity for those who want to work independently. Independently means that you will not be depend on anyone's for your job. You can do it by yourself. So it deals with various elements of making and maintaining a site. So it consists of learning coding language like HTML, PHP, JavaScript, CSS, and all. So also you can refer. There are many institute for this course. You can refer it at Google. So most of these courses last 1 year. After completing it, the student is awarded with a diploma certificate. So after completing the course, you may be able to work independently or you can join a company. It's depend on your interest, whether you want to go or not. So whether you get successful or not, it depends on your skill. So this was all about web designing course. So we are going to our next course, that is animation. So by listening, by hearing animation with my word, I know that you all are able to understand that I am going to talk about something which is moving by hand making. So we can say that this course deals with topics like visual effect, animation, 3D technology, graphics, etc. So earlier these courses had a few takers, but with increased art demand, animation professional, these courses has become popular once again. Again, there are a number of good quality private institute. You can refer also that at Google. So animation artists are professional are in much demand in the film industry. We all know that right now in the area of field, animation is required much. So we are also seeing a lots of movies coming with animation, and also people love such movies. So also there is importance of using good visual effect in movies, which is also has been increased. So by graduating with this course, you can also get a big job easily, and you also get a great packages with this job. You may also work independently in this course. Now I am going to tell about the third one, that is networking courses. So many Indian students are well aware of this course. Their advertisement always come in the newspaper, TV every day and every now and then. As they promise, these courses guarantee jobs. Uh, After finishing this course, you may easily get job in various IT industry. If you think you have any entrepreneurship in your blood, you may start a small business. So networking also a best area to go in the computer sector. It's also have a expanded their background very much in the area of IT industry. And now the fourth one is programming languages course and software. So to develop a software, one must learn programming languages like Java, C++, C, Python, etc. So software developers are in much demand in IT industries. This makes it a great course to pursue. When it comes to software, so we all know that the number of developer for software is increasing daily in every countries. So also it will when it comes to software courses, the best institute in India is an IIT. They have their center spread all over India. They also offer a number of courses, long and short term. So various programming languages are also taught in that institute. So they have tie-ups with some big IT companies also. So this was all about programming languages and software course. Now we are moving at our fifth and last one. So that is Tally. So Tally is an accounting software. So Tally course teaches you how to use Tally efficiently. Tally is also trusted by many big companies and government to store and transfer financial statements. Tally software is updated and it becomes necessary to master the latest version of software. You may do these courses at various private institutes. Uh, they also offer diploma courses in finance and accounting. After finishing this course, you will be able to get a best job in private companies. So these all are the five best courses in computer sectors for all of you. Hope you all guys are able to know about these courses, and it also help you to choose your interest, that where you want to go with each course. So now I hope that I have given a good explanation to all of you about this course. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.